Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. It's exercise 6.2 9th standard construction unit. In this exercise we are going to see the sums construction, how to construct the triangle if perimeter is given. That means sum of all the three sides. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is 30, angle Z is 90. Okay. For example, one triangle is there. It is XYZ, angle Y is 30 degree, angle Z is 90 degree. So it is one right angled triangle like that. Okay. So it's a right angled triangle. In this right angle, this XY plus YZ plus ZX all together they given 11 centimeter. All together they given 11 centimeter. This is we are seeing how to do the sum. First all the three together it is a 11 centimeter. Okay. So we are going to draw now 11 centimeter line segment. First we are going to draw 11 centimeter line segment. Next, in this line segment, I should give the name because XY I can't give because this is 11 is not XY length, sum of all the three sides. So, I am taking the length as PQ. Okay, so PQ is 11 centimeter. So, the base must be 30 degree. So, 30 degree how to construct it without using product. 30 means it is the half of bisector of 60 degree. Bisector of 60 degree. One semicircle like you are going to draw. So keep it this intersecting point, cut one arc with the same distance. So this is now exactly 60 degree. So mark this point using scale, join the draw a ray. So now this is 60 degree. Next this side, Q side, Z side is a 90 degree. How to draw 90 degree? Same one convenient measurement. Draw one semicircle like this. Next the same measurement, keep it here, cut one arc, then keep it here, cut one arc. Then this side one arc, this side one arc. Okay, so now you have to join this Q and this intersecting, it is will 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. This is we don't want 60, we need 30. So I drawn 60, this 60 bisector is 30. How to bisect this angle 60 degree? Measure this arc. So keep it this intersecting, cut one arc. This place cut one arc. Okay. Arc like that. So you have to keep here the compass. Okay, you have to keep the compass here. You should cut one arc and this side cut one arc. Now you have to join this intersecting point is there, you know, this point through P. So this is now the required 30 degree. This is now 30 degree. Okay, this step is over. Afterwards, what we are going to do? We should bisect the angle. We should bisect the angle. So actual angle you don't think about 60. 60 is the supporting arc of 30 degree. Actual angle is 30 degree. In this 30 degree again you should bisect. How to bisect? This arc is there, you know. Measure this length how much? Very small. So measure this how much? This much is there. Okay, I measured. Then keep it this side. Draw one arc. Then keep it this side. Draw one arc. Now this will be the bisector. That means 15 degree. Because 30 bisector is 15 degree. Okay, next this side even 45 also you are bisect 90 degree. So you should measure from here to here. Okay, measure this measurement. Then from here keep it point, then cut one arc. Then this intersecting point, cut one arc. Now through P. Now through P you should extend this arc and you are going to extend this arc too. So I am going to both bisector, angle bisector intersecting, you know, that point is X, this top point. Okay, from this now XP we got one line segment, XQ one line segment. In the XP we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector, the line segment of XP. How to draw? Take more than half, cut one angle like this. Then keep point this side X. So it is not touch, so we are going to rotate. Now we are going to join these two intersecting point, this point and this point. Keep it scale. So I bisect PX angle now. This PX bisector, it is touching on PQ, you know, this is now named as Y. Okay, next this side, same. Now XQ line segment, it is take more than half, cut one angle like this. Then keep this side Q side. So now join these 2 points. So now this will be the Z point. Now you should join X, Y and Z. From X to Y, then X to Z, then this. See here, it is the Z 90 degree angle is came, it is 30 degree it is coming, we got. If you are having doubt, you have to add XZ measurement, YZ measurement, XYZ measurement. You can get 11 centimeter. Now XY is an XYZ is required triangle. Okay, so this is the construction. It is very easy, but angle we should construct without using protractor. Okay, then bisect the angle. Afterwards we got the both bisect the angle intersecting point is X. From X to P you will draw the perpendicular bisector, then X to Q draw the perpendicular bisector. This is intersecting line PQ is like that, Y and Z, join XY and XZ. Okay. See this sum, construct a triangle ABC. BC is 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 degree. AB plus BC is AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Okay, one triangle is there like ABC. Okay, so now they are given BC is 7 centimeter base. Okay, angle B is 75 degree. This two side is AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Okay, so how to take? First draw the base, make the angle. In this angle you should cut this 13 centimeter. Okay, let us do the sum. What base is what? BC. Okay, BC is how many centimeters? 7 centimeter. So I drawn BC is 7 centimeter. Next angle B side is 75 degree. How to measure the angle? First draw 90 degree. First as usual draw one semicircle like this. Then from here to cut one arc. It is 60 degree. This is 120 degree. In between 90 degree is there. So join this line. This is 90 degree. This is just supporting arc, that's why I drawn dotted line. This is 60 degree, this is 90, in between 75 is there, because totally 13, if we draw the bisector it is 50. So find this measurement, small measurement, and cut here one arc, then keep it here this side one arc. Okay, now from you have to join this intersecting point from B, that will be 75 degree. Okay, this is the main. So draw the arc, how much we require. Okay, is it clear? Because this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, 60 into 90 in between 30, that bisector will be 15. So now 60 plus 15, this angle will be 75 degree. Afterwards, we are going to see AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. That 13 centimeter you are going to here cut one arc. Using compass, measure 13 centimeter measurement. You have to measure 13 centimeter. Okay. I measured. So keep it here. Cut one arc like this. Okay. It is comes under lengthy, so you have to extend this line. So this is now from this point to C you are going to join. From this point to C we are going to join now. Okay, next you are going to join. If you are giving name as X and C, you have to draw the bisector. X and C, you are going to draw a bisector now. So bisector means what? Take more than half. Okay, take more than half. Then keep the point B. I drawn the join this 2 point. Okay, join this 2 point where it is intersect. This point is A. Where it is intersect, this point is A. Now you are going to join the line AC. So now ABC. Now ABC is the required triangle. ABC is a required triangle. So in this triangle you can check AC is 7.5, then AB is 5.5. So the totally it is 13 centimeter. Okay, next we are going to see the next sum. Next sum is ABC into, we should construct the triangle ABC. So BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. For example, one ABC triangle is there, ABC. BC is 8 centimeter. This angle is 45 degree. AB minus AC. Okay, so AB minus AC 3.5 means which is the greater side? AB. So this is the greater side. This is the smaller side. So greater side minus smaller side, the difference is 3.5. Okay, let us construct this. The first you have to draw the base. You have to draw the base. Base is 8 centimeter. Okay, so first we are going to draw a base 8 centimeter, one line segment. So this is BC 8 centimeter line segment. Angle B is 40 degree. So 90 degree bisector is 40 degree. So how to bisect? Just draw one semicircle like this. Then the same measurement, keep it here, cut one arc. Then keep it this side, cut one arc. Okay. Then keep this point, cut one arc on top. Keep this point, cut one arc on top. Now we should join this intersecting point and B. It is a supporting ray. So you have to draw using dotted lines. It's enough. Next, bisector of 90 degree is 45 degree. So how to bisect? We should measure. Here it is intersecting now, from this point to this point we should measure, and we are going to cut the arc. Then here to cut the arc. Now join this from B to this intersecting point. Okay, this is now 45 degree. Okay, next AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. So AB AC. So in A point it comes 3.5 centimeter. Take 3.5 measurement and cut one arc on B ray. So 3.5 centimeter. So from keep it here, just cut one arc. This intersecting point give us name something D except ABC. Okay, so this is 3.5 centimeter. Now you should join this D and C. Now DC we are getting one line segment. This line segment you are going to draw one perpendicular bisector. That means take more than half, draw the arc like this. From keep the point and C, draw one arc. So now join these two. You should extend this arc, both they are touched. Okay, so both they are touching. This is the BX arc, so both they are touching point is A. Okay, this is A, this is B. We are going to now join now A and C. We are going to join now A and C. Now ABC is an required triangle. You can measure this side is how much it comes, then this side is how much it comes. So this is the difference between. This is the difference between. We are getting the 3.5 centimeter.